Good day, Tero.
Hi.
And great to meet you here in Slush.
Yeah, likewise. Always a pleasure.
Can you shortly introduce yourself?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm Tero Hottinen from Cargotec, responsible for emerging digital business on group level. So doing essentially everything that is related to enhancing the digitalization throughout the business areas we have.
Yeah, thanks. You were participating in our roundtable discussion today, and we were talking about how should manufacturing executives and especially the leaders prepare themselves for digital transformation. What did you learn? What was your takeaways from that discussion from your colleagues?
Yeah, that's a good one. I think it's in the end maybe not the new thing, but because it's often said that software is eating the world, and maybe it should be thought the other way around, that the world is eating the software, so just kind of ICT is not anymore vertical, it's a horizontal, that is just essentially kind of inherent part of everything, and that's maybe something that everybody should kind of really understand and get the mindset that everybody needs to be digital in a way or another, otherwise you will lose the game.
Yeah. What are typical use cases nowadays that, or user stories where companies are what companies are digitalizing now in your industry?
Yeah, I would say that in traditional or more manufacturing-oriented industries, the digitalization is very much still on the internal processes, like document handling and warehouse logistics, things like that. So really much kind of enhancing your own operations to be more agile, and that's maybe the thing that is kind of most are focusing on. And at the same time, that is maybe something that I would like to say for those who are still thinking what to do with the digital, that yes, that is a must, so you need to be also leaner and more efficient in that, but don't rely that that would make a difference, because it will just still become a commodity. Yeah. Hardware will become a commodity, so you really need to focus also on how to add new service models or digital layers on top of your existing business. So how to really serve your customer better, not only how to do yourself better.
Yeah, exactly. What would be what would you say about the trends? If you look now what you have seen here in Slush, what would be the next trends or the big waves that must be taken in account?
Next wave, well, I think this is an obvious one, and it's just if you don't understand and be capable of utilizing machine learning and AI, you will lose the game. So that's absolutely a must. It's not a new trend, but it's something that you just have to live with.
So that's your tip to all manufacturing companies?
Yeah, if I would have to put my all bets into one single thing, it would be that. Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was a great tip.
Great.
Thanks.
Thanks.